Tomorrow, 15th July 2015, all eyes will be on Rwanda as Victoire Ingabire Umuhoza, a name long synonymous with the struggle for democratic freedom and the Great Lakes region, returns to court, this time flanked by 9 other political activists charged alongside her. But this is not just another court date. It's a test of Rwanda's democracy. It's a mirror reflecting the fate of dissent in Paul Kagame's Rwanda. And it's a moment that could either deepen the country's political fractures or open a window, however slim, for dialogue. It's been over a decade since Victoire Ingabire, a Rwandan exile turned political force, dared to return home from the Netherlands to challenge the Kagame regime at the ballot box. Instead of the presidency, she worked into an 8-year prison sentence for genocide ideology and undermining state security, as they say. Her crime? Calling for justice for all victims of Rwanda's 1994 genocide, including Hutus. To some, she was a hero. To the state, she was a threat. Now she stands accused again. The charges? Spreading rumors, inciting insurrection, and working with foreign agents to destabilize the nation. The government claims she and her co-accused, many of them young members or supporters of opposition movements, were plotting to threaten national unity. But critics argue, this is the same script, different cast. Rwanda's pattern of criminalizing dissent, especially among opposition figures, has become glaring. She's not alone. We've seen this before. With Paul Rusesabagina, the hotelier turned activist, kidnapped, tried and jailed. With Diane Rwigara, barred from contesting the 2017 elections and later arrested on tax and forgery charges. The message has been clear. Opposition politics in Rwanda is a dangerous gamble. So, what is the world expecting tomorrow? 1. A politically charged trial where every word will be scrutinized, not just for its legal merit, but for its symbolic weight. 2. Heavy international observation from diplomats, journalists, and human rights organizations, many of whom have raised alarms over Rwanda's shrinking civic space. And lastly, potentially a verdict that further defines Kagame's legacy as a nation builder or a silencer of dissent. The likely outcome? If convicted again, Ingabire could face years behind bars, further emboldening a state apparatus that has made fear its strongest currency. But if acquitted or released, it may signal a subtle shift, a gesture to a watching world that Rwanda can tolerate criticism without crushing it. Many analysts are not holding their breath. The Kagame administration has long shown unapologetic resolve in silencing any alternative narrative. For Rwandans and for Africa, the trial of Victoire is more than a legal drama. It is a test of conscience, a challenge to the facade of stability in Rwanda, and a reminder that reconciliation without room for dissent is not justice. As the courtroom doors open tomorrow, the world will be watching. But the bigger question is, will Rwanda be listening? Will Paul Kagame do the needful? This is Fix Africa News Network. What lies ahead for Rwanda? Like, share, subscribe as we await the trial tomorrow.